Today I'll be doing a video on Class 8 Science CBSE Chapter 2 Microorganisms. Answer the following questions in detail.
What is algal bloom and what are its algal effects? Rapid increase or accumulation in the population of algae in ponds and lakes and is recognized by the discoloration in the water from their pigments is called algal bloom. Rapid growth of algae sometimes causes poisonous effect after they die. They thus pollute the water, which leads to eutrophication. Increased growth of algae results in decrease of oxygen level in water. Low oxygen level in water leads to death of aquatic plants or animals. They release toxins, making water unfit for drinking.
What type of fungus is a mushroom? Describe its structure. Mushrooms are multicellular fungi. They are fleshy, spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungi. Under the umbrella slit-like structures known as gills, which contain spores. They are often found growing on wood, on wet soil, in shaded places during the rainy seasons, and at the roots of trees. They also grow by forming mycelium, those lie under the surface of the soil. List the 4 types of bacteria and describe their differences. First is bacillus or bacilli, shape rod shaped. Characteristics: one or more flagella are useful and harmful. Example: Bacillus typhosus causes typhoid fever. Lactobacillus bacteria helps in settling of curd from milk. Then cocci or coccus, shape is spherical shaped. Characteristics: found in pairs, that is Diplococcus, in chains, Streptococcus, and in groups, Staphylococcus. Next is spirilla or spirillum, shape spiral shaped, cause a disease known as treponema. Then vibrio, shape is comma shaped. Vibrio cholerae causes cholera. How and why are bacteria useful for us? Bacteria are used in making antibiotics for the treatment of infectious diseases. It's used in making food and beverages. Lactobacillus helps in fermentation of carbohydrate and helps in settling of curd. Used in jute and leather industry for processing and tanning. Rhizobium bacteria helps in nitrogen fixation, helps in decomposition of biodegradable waste, thus helps to clean the environment and produce compost. Bacteria present in the intestine helps in the breakdown of food in humans, and cellulose present in the digestive system of the animals such as goat, cow, etc. Why does milk curdle? Explain how one can set curd at home. Milk is slightly acidic. As the pH drops and becomes more acidic, the protein casein molecules in milk attract one another and become curdles, floating in a solution of translucent way. Lactobacillus bacteria helps the fermentation of carbohydrate and helps in settling of curd. Warm some milk in a bowl, add a little curd and mix well. Put it aside and leave it undisturbed for a few hours. Now the milk has turned into curd. It has become semi-solid and sour in taste. Little amount of curd contained lactobacillus bacteria which converted the milk to curd. Why are sugar and salt useful for food preservation? Sugar and salt are good preservatives and are most commonly used because they do not allow microorganisms to grow. Thus, they are used in the preparation of jam, jelly, pickles, etc. High sugar or salt concentration cause the bacterium to lose water by osmosis. In the absence of water, bacteria cannot multiply and hence they act as good preservative. Next video in the same subject will be uploaded soon. Please like and subscribe to TravelTreats. Go to youtube.com, search for channel TravelTreats. Click on the channel and right hand side click on the subscribe button and press like button. Enjoy learning. Learning is fun.